guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah Ashley if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back. I'm so excited. Oh my god, you guys, I am shooketh at what I have found today for you. This is the look that I created. The only things that aren't the $1 to $2 makeup range are the eyelashes, which are the Ardell Faux Mink 810s, and my foundation. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this look using my cheap ass makeup, girl, stay tuned and keep watching. So I went ahead and did my foundation, my concealer, and set my entire face. I threw it back to the old school days. I have not used this in years. I used MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I got all these goodies for $1, and I'm lying. I think the eyeshadows and the highlighters were about $2.50. Yeah, but nothing was over $2.50. Like, I got all of this for $1. They had like the Elf Lash and Brow Wand. I love using these for my brows, so I just got one of those. I got some eyebrow razors that were $1, and I got some blushes that we're gonna try. These are the Amuse Cosmetics blushes. I'm excited. They're really big, actually, so I'm really excited to try that. I got an AOA Studio Blender. I actually used it with my foundation and I loved it. It reminds me so much of the Real Techniques beauty blender that they have, but it was so soft. And I also got this little carrier for it too, because I hate leaving my beauty blenders just sitting on my table because I feel like it accumulates dust and then you just have to put that on your face. It's not cute. So I got a little beauty blender holder, which is kind of cute, and it'll just sit in there. So that's cool. I will list all the prices for everything down below in the description bar, but I just thought this was so cute. And it's magnetic, of course, and I just put everything that I bought in here. So with this, I got a, I don't know, bronzer. I would consider this more of a contour. I tried to pick something with more of like a grayish undertone just because that's what works better for me when I contour. These are eyeshadows and these are highlighters down here. I got one matte eyeshadow. I just got like your basic little brownie transition color. Got this really pretty gold. I got like this very taupey sort of color and a pinky peach color, and I also got this silvery, very taupe color. It's not really showing up on camera, but it's actually really pretty. It'd be pretty all over the lid. And these three are highlighters. I was so excited to try out the highlighters. They have like palettes of highlighters that are like $10, and then they had these, I believe, were maybe $2 or $3. But I swatched some of these. Let me show you some swatches. These are the highlighters. Girl, that is from the dollar store, basically, of makeup. Shop Miss AOA. This is more of the golden color. This is the middle color, and this is more of like the peachy pink color that I got. But I love it. Let's go ahead and do this eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up that beautiful transition orangey color that I got and lay it down in the transition. Alright, you gotta scoot over. I gotta bring it in for the real thing. Here we go. Alright guys, let's see. And I am pleasantly surprised. I was reading the reviews, and the highlighters and the glitter eyeshadow, or sorry, the shimmer eyeshadows, people were like, so bomb, bring it back. A lot of the stuff was sold out, so I just grabbed what I could. But people were like, these products had rave reviews. Like, it was ridiculous. We were like, bring them back, please. I love it. So pigmented, so creamy, easy to blend with. I was like, what, is this for real? Like, because, you know, I know companies buy reviews and stuff, but I was shocked. This gold is really just calling my name. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Let me just swatch. I'm going to swatch this gold eyeshadow for you guys so that you can see what we're working with here. I'm so shocked. Like, look at that. That's really pretty for a freaking $1. Yeah, you got to be careful. Fix Plus likes to camel spit on that ass. This is a really pretty gold shade. Girl, I have some of my cheapskate friends who are like, girl, you cannot be using that expensive ass makeup on your channel. And I'm like, I know, I gotta get back into the drugstore stuff. Because honestly, drugstore is where I started out, where I would make my mistakes, where I would sort of experiment, and I had to learn how to finesse shadows and make shit work. So I know where I came from, so I am down to try. I don't really care how expensive anything is, as long as it works, or if I can work with it. That's really all that I'm looking for. Like, I'm not asking for much more. That just made it pop. Show did. I think I'm gonna grab this burgundy color, and I'm probably gonna mix it with more of this brownie color, just so that I can get an in-between shade and deepen up my crease. Those are ColourPop eyeshadows, by the way. They're not from the Shop Miss A brand. And I'm just gonna start blending that outer corner. I'm just gonna start blending it and blending it and blending it over top, keeping it low so that it doesn't bother with that transition shade too much. These eyeshadows are pretty bomb, and I'm shocked. All right, let me go ahead and cut these cheekbones. Oh yeah, I said I would be using this new brush to contour. I got this in my Morphe haul. It's the Morphe R10. It's from the Rose Gold collection. But yeah, I want to use this to contour. So let's dip into this. It looks like this has a little bit of like a shimmer in it, but it's not too crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to contour. All right, that looks pigmented. Yeah, let's see. And then I want to get, let me put this down, and then I want to get right in there. Oh. And I know some girls like to bring their contour like really close to their mouth. That is just not a place where I'm at in my life right now. So I just like to contour halfway down my face, just to get that shadow where you look chiseled, where it looks like you've had a little bit of plastic surgery, but you don't look like Catwoman, that feline-eyed woman, you know, just enough to look snatched all the time, every day, on the weekends, or Monday through Sunday, you know, just whenever you feel like it. So far, I am not hating it. Okay, oh, actually, first, let's go ahead and go on with blush. I got two different blushes. Do they have names? Ow, they're hard to fucking open, though. I got Satin Sheets, which is really pink, and I got Dollface, which is more of a mauve-y tone. I think I'm gonna mix them together. That's what I'm gonna do. I am quite shocked. These blushes are pretty pigmented. I am quite impressed. All right, well, next I'm going to highlight. And I'm gonna use more of the golden shade, which is this one right here. It's just calling my name. I like these. These look pretty too. It's just I'm not feeling it as much as I'm feeling the golden shade right now. So let's go ahead and apply some of that. You guys know I go ham. You guys already know. I gotta look in the mirror for this. It's not super blending, but I bet you I could get this to be very blinding. It's kind of natural-ish. It's like a natural highlight, but it can look, oh my god, you guys. I'm kind of shocked right now. I'll be right back. I went ahead and finished my eyebrows, popped on some lashes. I tried that eyeliner. Tried being the operative word. It was not good. I would not recommend this Amuse eyeliner. It just started cracking, and the wand is really thick. It kind of, let me show you. It looks crazy, and it looks like that, and it's just, it doesn't apply the liner thin. It doesn't give you that option. It just applies it very thick, and it's just not cute. First, let's put on some lipstick. I got 3 different shades. Okay, so that's Souffle, the middle is Caramel, and the last shade is Wanted. I'm probably gonna do some Souffle since it's that pretty pink with some caramel in the middle. So there's Souffle. It's that really pretty pinky nude. Yeah, these I can already tell are very creamy and really need a lip liner. Maybe we can take Sure Thing. Sure Thing needs to be sharpened. Does it dry down to a matte? No, but it's really, ooh, I like this really pale pink. It's doing it for me. And then I'm gonna layer caramel on top. See, I don't know, I'm liking it. Ooh, I'm loving this like pale pinky nude. I don't know, I'm feeling the vibes. I don't know. I feel it on my lips, like it's not, I feel it. But, okay, anywho. Oh yeah, and I went ahead and set my face with some of the MAC Fix Plus, the coconut one. Oh, it smells so good. And this highlighter, you guys, it just intensified it once I wet it. It's gorgeous. Like, I am shook by these products. I really am. The blushes are cute. They're pigmented. I don't think that they would last on the skin very long. I don't think they would last all day. If you want a blush that lasts all day, I would recommend the Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes. Those are like 12-hour blushes. They last all day long. They're beautiful and they're pigmented and they have so many great shades. These, I mean, all of this makeup basically is if you're balling on a budget. You can finesse this and make it. Honestly, I didn't even have to finesse most of it. I think the only thing that I had to really finesse to get to work with me is the glitter on my eyes. And all I had to do was spray it really with MAC Fix Plus or any, I'm sure you could use anything. Any sort of facial spray or setting mist. But I honestly am very shook by this brand and I'm excited to try different things. That contour shade that I got from them, bomb. I mean, it cut my cheeks. It got the job done and it got it done well. I am very surprised by these. Yeah, there's not anything that oh wait, actually, yes, I'm lying. I hated the eyeliner. I would not recommend this to anyone. The Amuse eyeliner, not cute. I definitely went into this thinking, you know, what's the most that can happen? I mean, I got a cute little beauty blender holder. That's honestly about all that I thought that I would really love from this. But no, I loved the beauty blender. The lipsticks aren't bad as long as you're not a toucher, but it's, I mean, honestly, they're kind of moisturizing. It's kind of sticky, but they're kind of moisturizing. Like, it looks matte, but it feels moisturizing on the lips, which I actually am kind of loving. Like, these are growing on me. The eyeshadows, bomb. I love this. And what did I tell you, girl? You throw on some eyelashes and you are good to go. If Shop Miss A can do this at their price point, which is $1, $2 for an eyeshadow, I think $2.50 is the most I spent on anything, but I'll go ahead and link all the prices down below. What am I doing buying all this high-end stuff? And some of the high-end stuff does work. Some of it is, oh, it's garbage. Like, I return it because I'm like, I'm not gonna do this. Okay, this isn't me. But I'm very shocked, you guys. I would highly suggest going on shopmissa.com so that you guys can see if there's anything that you would like to try. I mean, what's the worst? You're gonna spend $1, $2. The most money I spent was on the little Z palette that I got that I put, I just needed something to pop all this stuff in. I will say there is tons of fallout in this. Like, just looking at my vanity, there is powder everywhere. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. And as you can see, I got very dirty. So there's a lot of fallout. Is that a terrible thing? No. Is it convenient? No. Is it annoying? Yes. But come on, for $1, $2, it is not that bad. I will take some fallout for some cheap stuff, but this is the look that I created with my dollar makeup, which I'm so shocked. It's so crazy to say that, and I'm actually living for it. Like, I can't believe that I did all of this with dollar makeup, $2 at the most. It's just, I'm living for it. Like, the eyes were so pretty. I don't know. It's crazy to me. Really. Oh, and this video is not sponsored by any means, girl. Ain't nobody trying to sponsor me. But this is, I'm very shocked. And if I find something that I love, especially at such a great price point, I'm gonna let you guys know. And I actually love this. I will be using these highlighters, these eyeshadows, whenever I just reach for them. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and leave me some love or some comments or some feedback in the comment box. I would love to hear from you guys, whether it's suggestions or what you do like, what you don't like. Any type of feedback is good feedback for me. And thank you guys for being on my little journey with me. This was fun. This was a lot of fun, actually. This was a very good find, so I'm excited to say that I love this Shop Miss A makeup because, oh my god, this is so amazing. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! To try, this is the Morphe. This is the Morphe. Why do you look like a mess? Were you sleeping? Oh, were you, baby? That's what I'm looking for. It's ooh, she wally, ooh, she bang bang. I was like, really? We gotta get HUD up here. And where was I? I think I was in Amuse. Who is you? I don't even know you. Why you acting all brand new and shit? Isn't it?